Hello there, quirky Capricorn. This video is for you if you are a Capricorn, but you're not necessarily able to identify the stereotypical Capricorn qualities in yourself, that is, being down to earth to the point of being almost bound to earth, respecting hierarchical structures, being overtly focused on material things and career and such. If you find that those things do not resonate with you, there could be lots of reasons for that. I don't want to get into all of those reasons, but to cut it short, your birth charts, your astrological birth chart could give us a clue on why or what other aspects are playing into your personality that may be more relevant. If you're interested in receiving a reading like that, please check out the description and you can find some information about how you can book a reading with me. If you enjoy this type of content, please consider subscribing as another way of showing your support. So, in this reading, we're going to attempt to find a different viewpoint, a different perspective on your Capricorn-ness that potentially and hopefully you're going to be able to resonate with better. Okay. And that's the 10 of Cups. Beautiful card. Quite interesting. Okay. So Capricorn is often thought of as extremely ambitious and calculated and living in a world of do's and don'ts, duties, responsibilities, and no fun at all. Now, what is often forgotten or not talked about enough is Capricorn's extremely creative nature. Capricorn has a link to Saturn, and Saturn is the creator of destiny. That's why that's where the rigidity, the idea of strictness, lack of flexibility is coming from. But Saturn is actually, although it's a slow-moving and serious planet energetically, if we're speaking about, astrological aspects, it could be thought of as sort of a familial or a gentle prodding of the soul. Sometimes, because very severe and complicated and serious life events are connected with Saturn, we don't tend to think of Saturn as a lighthearted energy. But with the 10 of Cups, what we're seeing here is that the ultimate goal of Saturn and the ultimate goal of Capricorn is to create a divine harmony. The 10 of Cups is the representation of emotion-based resonation between people. And of course, when it comes to Capricorn, this is often achieved via more practical, or that's the ambition, or that's what Capricorn aspires to, is to achieve this via more material means. So the idea is for career-focused Capricorns if I work a lot, if I immerse myself in work, and if I give my soul, my heart, my entire being to this mission, that's almost like a sacrifice. It's almost like a way of being of service and resonating with other people. So the core element to Capricorn is this desire to be complete, and to do so in an emotionally pleasing way, and to harmonize with other people. So your desire as a Capricorn, and you might have very unconventional and weird ideas on how to achieve that. Some of the weirdest people that I've met in my life were Capricorns. So I don't personally believe in the stereotype of Capricorn being a hard-headed, hierarchy respecting, authority obsessed, rigid thinker. I do not subscribe to that idea. I think Capricorn is more coming from this 10 of Cups, peace and love and unity type place. It's just that your ways of achieving it can be actually quite disruptive. So for Capricorns who follow tradition and conventions down to a T, their radical or extreme nature might not be as obvious when we only take a superficial look. But for those Capricorns who choose a more revolutionary way, who find that establishing this harmony, this ideal, will come from destroying the rigid structures of society and the rigid structures of thinking, who find that true creativity is the answer. They are still thinking in terms of form, in terms of structures, but they are thinking about it in more obviously revolutionary ways or contrary ways. So what is at the core of Capricorn is this desire to find that synergy, that harmony between souls, but the way in which you will want to reach it differs, perhaps based on other aspects in your chart, perhaps personal taste, personal life experience. But I think the ultimate goal is this desire to even lose the self. So the uniqueness, the quirkiness in Capricorn does not derive from a desire to stand out. It comes from a desire to blend in, actually. And that's why I think Capricorn people are some of the most original, most unpredictable people that I've met, which might sound counterintuitive, but that's my experience. So I hope that you found this reading interesting, or that you could resonate with it. Let me know in the comments. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you in another reading. Bye-bye.